All right, today I'm gonna show you, for those of you that have a sweet tooth, how to make a really cool, all natural, all plant-based avocado chocolate mousse. Avocado chocolate mousse, that sounds crazy. And you're not gonna believe how good and how simple this is. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 avocados. I've obviously taken them out of the shell, taken the pits out. I'm gonna throw them in just a little food processor. You can use a blender, whatever you'd like to do. I'm going to get my chocolate flavor from some cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay. And then I'm going to use as a natural sweetener some all-natural maple syrup. I get this at Whole Foods. You can get it anywhere. Always best to use organic, all-natural ingredients if you can. That's why these dishes are so fun. They're good and they're good for you. You don't have to sacrifice your taste buds. You don't have to give up savory things. You don't have to give up sweets. You can make these things that are good and good for you. They're all natural and healthy. I'm going to add a little hemp seeds to mine. I like that because it adds a little natural organic part of it too. Hemp seeds, you can get those just about anywhere. And then some vanilla extract in there. And then a half a cup of almond milk. Really any nut-based milk that you'd like, any non-dairy milk. Remember, these are all plant-based, non-dairy. I like almond milk. And then watch how simple and easy this is. I'm just going to blend this up a little bit. Couple of blends in the food processor or the blender, whatever you want to use. Take it out, check the consistency, scrape it down a little bit. Look at that. It's already mixing up into form a really nice, thick chocolate avocado mousse. You're not going to believe how good this is, and it's so simple. All right. Couple of blends on that, and then I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural dairy-free whipped cream. This is going to use an ingredient that you may or may not have heard of, but it sounds crazy. It's called aquafaba. Aquafaba is the liquid in the can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. What it does is it's got this really nice thick viscosity to it. So if I take my aquafaba, pour it in my stand mixer, I'm going to do a little maple syrup again for some nice natural sweetener. Okay? And then some vanilla extract. And then I'm going to put this in my mixer with my whisk mode on. I'm going to whip this up just like I would any whipped cream, any sort of dairy-based whipped cream. And you're not going to believe how cool this is, how easy it is. So I've got those 3 simple ingredients in my stand mixer with the whisk. I'm going to whip that up. It's going to take about 5 minutes on medium speed or so. And then we're going to check back in a little bit. You're not going to believe how cool it is. Okay. This has been running for about 5 minutes, and it is perfect, nice and fluffy, nice and big peaks coming up on that. So what I've done is I took that avocado chocolate mousse I made, I just put it in a little container, and I put it in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit, just let it set, and look at how nice and thick and creamy that is. And I'm just going to spoon that into these little dishes. These are my favorite part of this beautiful set my Aunt Joey gifted to me. Love you, Aunt Joey. So we're going to just spoon that in there a little bit. Making a mess. And then look at this. Look how cool that is. Whipped aquafaba. It's literally the liquid from the garbanzo bean, and it makes this beautiful, nice, sweet whipped cream. It's all natural, all plant-based. It's good, and it's good for you. Like I said, you don't have to give up anything if you want to try to eat some healthier lifestyle options. Do this once a week, twice a week. Adopt a whole new lifestyle. Who knows? Whole new you. New year, new you. But it's so good. And again, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.